plug. So that was pretty close.
I got the pan ready, just let me know when.
I will. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love you. Alright, for the life of me, I can't get these to hold vacuum, so I do have to re-pull the vacuum on it. It holds it for a few, like 10 minutes. Then it bleeds off no matter how much Teflon I put on. I guess that's what I get for getting them off Amazon. We're doing live BHO at this moment. We're going to drop the pressure inside here. Pounds, kPa, I don't know. 30 something. 30 something. Oh, we don't really need, well, don't really need it uncovered yet, but we'll go ahead and uncover it and put it under there. The risk of getting something in our bowl though. Yeah, we'll just leave that off. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put this can on here. We're going to push down and open the valve at the same time. Usually we can get it up to 20. Okay, it took the whole can. Actually, it didn't. Alright, we got her up to 30. It is leaking off. Okay, we're still holding at 30. We've been recording for 10 minutes. You want to wear a mask. Safety first. Alright, let's make some live resin. In second, maybe 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and try it. Oh, I forgot I sat that on something like that. gonna open it real easy, which is a pain in the butt. Look at that collar. Clear collar, baby. Well, empty. The way you can test it is by squirting it through your other. Yeah, we're empty. Alright, that's a 3-can extraction. We're gonna do one more column with 3 cans. And right now we're just gonna let the pressure drop and empty out the butane that's in there. We should get about 20 grams, I'm thinking. 20 grams of live resin. Now, not to be confused with live rosin, this is live resin. Live rosin is made with bubble hash and a heat press afterwards. This is a hydrocarbon extraction. We're using cold throughout the process. We're not using any heat until we try to evap the butane. And even then, we're only going to stay at 85 degrees Fahrenheit. So, if you ask me, live resin is a little bit better because it never sees that heat. I do like me some good live rosin though. managed to get out. Well, that sucks. The table lean that's running off. God damn it. Yep, that's gonna fuck me big time. This is fucked. I don't need it running like that.
Just got done, freshly purged, live BHO. Stuff tastes phenomenal. We got about 21 grams from I didn't get all the weed in the tubes, so there was probably 380 grams of weed there. I don't know why the phone keeps doing it. It's got great color and good glassy look to it. Yes, it is stable enough to touch. So that's how you know it's done, is when it gets stable like this. Nice and stable. I mean, look, none of it's sticky. And I just took it off the heat. So that's how you know it's done. It'll get real solid like that.